Recording in Brisk Audio. Brisk Audio makes it easy to capture and manage your recordings directly within the app. To start, go to the Record page. Click the New Recording button. Click the red Record button to start recording. When you are finished recording, click the red square to stop. Click the gray Pause button to take a break during recording, and then the gray Play button to resume recording. After clicking Stop, your take will be automatically saved and added to the recording list. Each recording in the list can be edited and managed. You can trim, amplify, join, split, download, or delete your recording by selecting the corresponding option beside it. To rename a file, simply click on its name and enter the new file name. For the best results, test your microphone gain and check for background noise before you begin. Choose a quiet space with minimal echo. Soft furnishings can help reduce unwanted reflections. Keep a steady mouth-to-microphone distance and avoid drifting during your take. Finally, always keep an eye on the input meters to make sure your levels remain clear and do not peak into the red, which can cause clipping. For more Brisk Audio tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.